Are you confused about the difference between frying pans and skillets? You're not alone. Let's break it down. In 2026, frying pans and skillets are often misused interchangeably. However, for serious cooks, the difference lies in their design. Frying pans have low, flared sides. This allows for quick flipping and faster evaporation. They're perfect for eggs and delicate fish. Skillets, on the other hand, have higher, sloped walls. They excel in searing and retaining moisture. This makes them ideal for steaks and pan sauces. When choosing a pan, consider these key features: base planarity, flare radius, and ergonomic design. A stable base ensures even heating, while a comfortable handle means safe use. Materials matter too. Non-stick frying pans are great for easy food release, while cast iron skillets provide excellent heat retention. Before buying, check these specifications: heat distribution, oven rating, and induction compatibility. In conclusion, for a well-rounded kitchen, have both a frying pan for quick tasks and a skillet for heartier meals. It will elevate your cooking game. Want more tips? Hit that subscribe button for more cooking insights.